Fresh air circulation plays a vital role in creating a comfortable and healthy home environment. For Clermont homeowners, where warm Florida weather often calls for good airflow, ventilation is especially important. Yet many homes with older, inefficient windows struggle to provide the natural ventilation needed to balance indoor air quality and comfort. Installing replacement windows is one of the most effective solutions. Not only do new windows look great and improve energy efficiency, but they also enhance ventilation throughout your home. Eliminating obstacles from old windows. Older windows often stick, jam, or fail to open fully due to wear and tear. Over time, warped frames, rusted hinges, or broken locks make it difficult to bring in fresh air. Many Clermont homeowners end up keeping these windows closed, relying solely on air conditioning. Replacement windows solve this problem by providing smooth operation and secure locking mechanisms. With easy-to-open designs, you can take advantage of cooler evenings or breezy afternoons to let in natural airflow without struggling with stuck sashes or squeaky tracks. Maximizing cross-ventilation. Proper ventilation requires more than just one open window. It depends on airflow throughout the house. Strategically placed windows on opposite or adjacent walls create cross-ventilation, where fresh air flows in from one side and exits through the other. This process refreshes indoor air while maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. Modern replacement windows come in a wide variety of styles, such as casement, sliding, or double-hung windows, all designed to optimize airflow. By choosing the right combination of window styles and placements, Clermont homeowners can significantly improve the quality of natural ventilation in their residences. Reducing indoor humidity. Florida's humid climate makes moisture control a constant concern. Without proper ventilation, excess humidity can build up inside, leading to discomfort, musty odors, and even mold growth. Replacement windows help regulate humidity by making it easier to vent steamy areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. Casement windows that swing fully open or awning windows positioned higher on walls can quickly release moisture-laden air, keeping your home drier and more comfortable. Improving indoor air quality. Fresh air isn't just about comfort, it's about health. Poor ventilation can trap indoor pollutants such as cooking fumes, pet dander, or cleaning chemicals. Over time, this leads to stale, unhealthy air. With new replacement windows, homeowners are more likely to use natural ventilation because windows open and close easily and seal properly when shut. Regularly refreshing indoor air helps reduce allergens and pollutants, improving the overall health and comfort of your Clermont residence. Balancing ventilation with energy efficiency. Many homeowners worry that opening windows for ventilation means losing energy efficiency. Fortunately, modern replacement windows are designed with advanced features that let you control airflow without compromising efficiency. When closed, insulated frames and low-E glass keep cooled air inside. When open, their smooth operation encourages better use of natural ventilation, reducing reliance on air conditioning during mild weather. This balance means you enjoy both improved ventilation and lower energy costs, a win-win for Clermont households. Adding value and comfort to your home. Ventilation may not always be top of mind when considering home upgrades, but it plays a huge role in day-to-day comfort. By installing replacement windows, you gain not only better airflow but also added benefits like noise reduction, enhanced security, and increased curb appeal. These improvements add long-term value to your Clermont residence while making your living spaces fresher and more enjoyable. Conclusion: a breath of fresh air for Clermont homes. Replacement windows are more than just an aesthetic upgrade. They're an investment in better comfort, healthier living, and improved ventilation. For Clermont homeowners dealing with humidity, stale air, or hard-to-open windows, new installations make it easy to invite fresh breezes into every room. With the right replacement windows, you can create a home that feels brighter, fresher, and more comfortable, all while boosting energy efficiency and property value. It's an upgrade that truly pays off every time you open your windows and breathe in the fresh Florida air.